Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Next. Okay, we have done some kind of cultural metal objects conservation. I'll show you some example. So since time is limited, I will just as soon as possible. Sometimes we have from the underground we have found some kind of canon, and we try to preserve it, and we try to do the electrolysis, silver plating, something like that. So we have to next. So originally, sometimes if we don't do good conservation, that will become very bad. So next. Now we try to use the different solution to remove the chlorine and try to do the reduction to make the metal stable. So, and we have found the best for the removing chlorine is using the NaOH or NaKOH, something like that. And we also have also have found that for the preservation, using some kind of the solution to preserve, and use the zinc as the reduction reaction to remove to make the iron become the Fe3O4 become stable. I will show you the result later. Besides, we also try to, if something is very bad, we try to fix with the resin and the fiberglass. And fiberglass cannot coating with the metal. So we try to study how to make the fiberglass can be coating with the metal. So we study that next. So we use the electrolysis silver plating on tetra exocycline bleached fiberglass. That means we use the TEOS tetra exocycline to modify the surface of the fiberglass, so we can coating with the metal. So it's a study next. So we also use some kind of instrument to make sure we have coating with the silver or some other metals. This is the study beginning, so we just try to do that, and we have shown next. So the conducting company is very important in the industry. In the meanwhile, for conservation, we also use that for the metal protection. So we have studied that. Next. Now, next. So that's the mechanism using the TEOS, which will connect to the fiberglass, and then the metal can be attached to the fiberglass. So that can be used for the repairing the metal. Sometimes we have kind of the because that already very bad. We need to fix with the resin and the fiberglass, and we can do the silver coating or iron coating or other metals coating later. So this is the beginning study. So that we try different conditions to get the optimal conditions for the electrolysis plating. So we have success to do that, and we have find that that could be used for the conservation science. We also have tried use the kind of the gypsum to remove the kind of the HCOH. So in the sometimes we have, for the exhibition place, sometimes we have the HCOH. So we need to remove that. Use the gypsum to absorb it. We try that, and that's some result we have done and some procedure. And we have also fixed the kind of the fabric machine, mechanical machine. Originally it's very bad. After we fix, one keep it work, one keep the original style. So we try to demonstrate that. Also, we have cooperated with some kind of the museum. They have a couple sculptures problem, and we try to remove the pen without hurting the metal. So we do that and try, and we also cooperate with the other company or some kind of the cultural object appraise. We try to use the science method. So it's time is limited. Thank you very much.
So let me I briefly introduce this department work because they make the antiques, they repair the antiques or make the things become older to have higher price or make the old things make new. And when they have some invention for the formulation, and my department help them to file a patent. And that's how we make the example for them.